The after-school snacks to fuel the body and mind of growing tweens is a priority. And so here in this video, we'll go through each of the weekdays and see how we can best serve these youngsters.
Right now I'm going for my form training for Taekwondo, so it's like really intense, you know? So what happens is, one of the exercises that they do is that they make you do like 600 knee-ups, but they have like this stretchy thing that it's like a resistance band, so it gets really hard. So I need a lot of energy for it.
So Adi is done with dinner.
Yep.
And
That's for like an extra snack. I really like the spoon, how you can break it apart. It's really nice, you know?
yeah, I don't know who invented that. So this is a 1 hour class, right?
Yeah. I like it. You have like mangoes in there too, right? Mangoes, blueberries.
And chocolate
good.
chips.
It tastes really good.
So this is how we make it. Of late, I have been loving the Vitamix blender because it's very convenient to blend large quantity of food. So here I have 1 cream cheese block, 1 cup Greek yogurt, again a good source of protein, 1 cup of milk, about 2 tablespoons of honey and 1/4 chocolate chips, and then blend it all together along with a tablespoon of vanilla extract or few drops of almond extract. For the mix in fruits, I'm using frozen mango and blueberries. Chop it up really small and using the popsicle holder here, freezing it for about 3 to 4 hours. The leftover mix was placed in a tray which I froze, and Adi could scoop it and take over in his thermos flask. Save this recipe to brighten the evening of your energetic kids.
I'm really hungry after coming back from school. I got my energy ball thing. I really love the taste of this. So I'm making kind of like a healthy pizza, sort of, to give me like energy for Taekwondo and stuff like that I have after school.
How was school today?
It was good. I had a test. So yeah, this is paneer that I'm gonna add as a topping. I'm trying to make it as thin as possible.
When is your taekwondo today?
7:45. Okay, so we have all of this. This is the main thing.
Yeah, very nutritious pizza base.
Now it's time to add the sauce. It's like a pasta sauce, so it tastes really good. Like these red chili flakes really add a lot of flavor into the pizza. I used to hate spicy food, but now like a little bit of spice is fine, but I don't like eating really spicy chilies and stuff like that. But this is fine. It adds a lot of flavor into the pizza. Crushed jalapeno peppers. I'm only gonna add a little bit because this is really spicy. Now it's time to shred the cheese.
So for this protein-rich base, we need about 2/3 cup of masoor dal and 1/3 cup of quinoa. Soak it for a few hours, and we need 2 teaspoons of parsley, 2 teaspoons of Italian dressing, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, half tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/4 cup of water. I've also added 2 cloves of garlic and then grind it all together into this consistency. Spread the batter onto a baking sheet along with parchment paper. Spread it into a thin layer. It will rise up on baking. Bake at 385 for 15 minutes. Flip and cook for 7 minutes.
Oh, thank you. I finally decided my course selection.
Oh,
Yeah.
for next year.
Yeah, I'm doing.
So there was a little bit of confusion what you want to do,
Yeah.
right?
But I finally picked. I'm doing Spanish and theater.
Spanish 1 and theater.
3.
So theater you're going to continue
Yeah.
for 1 more year.
1 more year, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do next.
Mm-hmm.
But, it looks good.
Okay, taste and see.
It tastes exactly like a chocolate cake. The bottom part.
But there's no flour in that.
It actually tastes very good.
Really?
The bottom part tastes exactly like one.
Okay, enjoy your dessert.
Thank you.
And we'll share how we made it. For this, you need half of a really ripe avocado. Mash it up very well with no chunks. Add it to a glass. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well and microwave for 2 minutes. Top it with a teaspoon of chia seeds, chopped up raspberries, and kiwi. Okay, so it is Thursday evening and I'm in Adi's school and waiting for him to come back from his track practice. So he just started that this week, so let's hear from him what he has to say and give him a good snack. There he is coming.
I'm tired though. We did a lot, so it smells good in here.
Okay, what did you do?
We ran a lot. We practiced hurdles. That's basically what we did. We did warm up.
So 1 hour, right?
Yeah,
More than an hour.
1 hour and like 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
This is your snack today.
Thank you.
I gave Anjali. She went for dance and she's excited to have it. She had a taste of it actually.
What is this? Thank you.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Is it still warm?
Yeah, it is. Is it like a healthier version of mac and cheese?
Yeah, kind of, you can say. Or the Alfredo sauce. Maybe like a different version of it.
Yeah. Nice.
This is how we made it. For this tofu pasta, here I'm using millet pasta. So I'm boiling it along with some water. I'm not using the seasoning that is given in this packet, but we're going to make our own sauce with tofu. So half a block of tofu. Again, I'm using the blender to blend it. In a tablespoon of oil, saute some onion and garlic cloves. While blending the tofu for the sauce, we're going to add this onion garlic mixture along with seasoning, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add salt while blending and the sauce can be prepared in advance. And on the day of cooking the pasta, you just need to saute the vegetables. I'm using corn and carrots. Add the tofu mixture and some milk to thin out the consistency, and the boiled pasta and the yummy dish is ready.
Finally, it's a Friday and I can relax. I'm really excited to try this. Is there chicken inside of this?
Mm-hmm. You like it?
It's really good. I'm really hungry, so help me.
So here for this amazing wrap, you're going to need some cottage cheese. This is a clean variety that I use. There is no artificial ingredients, just milk and culture. So where we have the opportunity, try choosing something that do not have like gums and other additional ingredients. So 1 cup of cottage cheese, 2 eggs, garlic cloves along with parsley and red chili flakes. Blend it all together to this runny consistency, and then in a parchment paper on a baking sheet, make sure to spray some oil on it and then pour the batter in. Spread it as thin as possible and use a ladle to do that, and then bake it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes until you see this golden brown nice wrap. And then within the wrap you can add any sort of filling. So here I had some chicken nuggets with me, which I baked in the air fryer. Add some green chutney, lettuce, chicken nuggets, cherry tomatoes, pickled onions. Give this video a like and save these recipes for later. Subscribe if you are new here and follow for more. I'll see you on my next one. Take care and bye-bye.